Damian here from Billet Proof Designs, coming at you with another shop quick tip. Today we're going to talk about the right way to use channel locks and adjustable wrenches. All right, so here we go. Talking about the right way to use adjustable wrenches and pliers. If there's nothing that irks me more, it's seeing guys that don't know how to use these things, and it's typically guys that you would think should know how to use them. So on both of these, there's a fixed jaw and a movable jaw. Same with the adjustable wrench. The adjustable jaw is the movable jaw, and the jaw that's part of the handle is the fixed jaw. Now, the way that these tools are designed, they are designed to be used in a certain way, and that way is the movable jaw should always be in the direction of rotation. So I'm going to use this swag off-road piece of equipment here to demonstrate it. And let me just add a little disclaimer here. These tools are typically used by guys that are too lazy to go to the toolbox to get a wrench or in an emergency situation. So go to the toolbox and grab the right size wrench. Try not to use these when you can, because you typically adjust them to the wrong size and you round over the corner of bolts. So if I wanted to tighten this, I would first set the adjustable wrench to the proper opening width, and I would put the movable jaw in the direction of tightening. So that's this way. If I wanted to loosen it, I turn it like this. Now, the reason for doing this is because when force is applied, the majority of the pressure is in this top jaw, this fixed jaw, which has all the strength. This bottom jaw doesn't have much strength at all. It's just there to keep the fastener tight up against this fixed jaw. Onto the channel locks, again, fixed jaw, movable jaw. In between these jaws are cut teeth, and these teeth are cut in a fashion so when this tool is used in the right way, it aids in your mechanical advantage. So for example, say this is a piece of 3/4 inch pipe nipple and we're tightening into a 90-degree fitting. The movable jaw should be in the direction of rotation down. So when we apply force, these teeth that are cut in the correct orientation, you can see how they're angled slightly, bite into the material and aid in turning. If used the incorrect way when trying to tighten, these jaws will actually slip and all you're going to do is mangle up your tube. So there you have it. Now you know how to correctly use adjustable wrenches and channel locks. Thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel. For more information on our great motorcycle products, please check out billetproofdesigns.com. Thank you.